Retirement is often painted as this golden era of endless relaxation, where every day feels like a Saturday and the biggest decision is whether to golf or garden. But here's the thing no one tells you: stepping away from work doesn't just mean swapping spreadsheets for sunscreen. A whole bunch of things vanish overnight, and if you're not prepared, the shock can hit harder than a Monday morning inbox. Let's talk about the stuff that disappears when you stop working and how smart retirement plans can help you fill those gaps without losing your groove. First up, that daily structure you secretly relied on? Gone. For decades, your calendar was dictated by meetings, deadlines, and coffee breaks. Retirement yanks that framework away, leaving you with a blank slate that's equal parts liberating and terrifying. Without the rhythm of work, days blur into weeks, and suddenly you're wondering if it's Tuesday or Thursday. This is where retirement plans need to go beyond 401(k)s and IRAs. Building a new routine, volunteering, hobbies, part-time gigs is crucial. It's not just about financial security, it's about crafting a life that feels purposeful. Then there's the social glue of the workplace. Colleagues, lunchroom chats, even that coworker who always microwaves fish, these interactions vanish, and loneliness can creep in fast. Studies show retirement often shrinks social circles, which impacts mental health. Here's where terms like community engagement and social safety nets become LSI keywords. Retirement plans should include strategies to stay connected, joining clubs, taking classes, or leveraging platforms like Meetup. Financial readiness matters, but so does investing in relationships that keep you grounded. Your employer benefits? Poof! Health insurance, dental plans, even free flu shots, gone. Many retirees don't realize how much they relied on these perks until they're footing the bill themselves. Medicare helps, but it doesn't cover everything. Long-term care, vision, or hearing aids? Those costs add up. This is where terms like Medicare gaps and supplemental insurance come into play. A solid retirement plan isn't complete without a deep dive into healthcare costs. Budgeting for premiums, prescriptions, and unexpected medical needs isn't fun, but neither is a surprise bill wiping out your savings. Speaking of savings, let's talk about that automatic paycheck deduction magic. When you're employed, part of your income funnels effortlessly into a 401(k) or pension. Stop working, and that automation stops too. Suddenly, you're responsible for manually managing withdrawals, investments, and tax strategies. Terms like required minimum distributions and tax-deferred accounts are key here. Retirement plans need built-in systems to replace that autopilot saving. Setting up automatic transfers from your retirement accounts into savings or investment vehicles keeps your money working without you lifting a finger. Your sense of purpose might take a nosedive too. Work gives many people an identity. Being a manager, teacher, or nurse isn't just a job, it's who you are. Retirement can strip that away, leaving you asking, what now? This is where concepts like identity transition and post-career fulfillment sneak in. Hobbies, mentoring, or passion projects can fill this void. Retirement planning isn't just spreadsheets, it's about asking, what makes me feel alive, and budgeting time and money for those answers. Work perks you never thought about? Say goodbye. Discounts on gym memberships, company cars, or even free software subscriptions disappear. That $20 monthly credit for your phone plan? Gone. These small benefits add up, and losing them can quietly strain your budget. Terms like employee benefits audit and post-retirement budgeting fit here. Before retiring, list all those hidden perks and calculate their value. Adjust your retirement income strategy to cover what you'll lose, whether it's negotiating senior discounts or finding cost-effective alternatives. Mental stimulation is another casualty. Work keeps your brain busy solving problems, learning new systems, or collaborating. Retirement can turn that dial down, leading to boredom or cognitive decline. Words like brain health and lifelong learning are LSI gold. Retirement plans should include activities that challenge your mind: online courses, puzzles, or even part-time consulting. Keeping mentally active isn't just fun, it's a safeguard against issues like dementia. your professional network evaporates too. Former clients, industry contacts, and even LinkedIn engagement drop off. This impacts more than your social life. It affects opportunities for consulting gigs or mentorship. Terms like networking and retirement and second careers matter here. Stay active on professional platforms, attend industry events, or offer workshops. Your expertise doesn't retire when you do. Monetizing it can pad your retirement income and keep you connected. Time perception shifts dramatically. Without the 9-to-5 grind, days stretch out, but years fly by. This paradox can lead to procrastination, "I'll travel next year," or rush decisions. Concepts like time management in retirement and bucket list budgeting come into play. Create loose schedules with room for spontaneity. Allocate funds for travel or projects in your retirement plans, but stay flexible. Time is your most abundant resource now, use it wisely. Lastly, the safety net of a steady paycheck disappears. Even with a pension or social security, adjusting to irregular income streams can be stressful. Market downturns, inflation, or unexpected expenses can shake your confidence. Terms like income diversification and emergency funds for retirees are critical. Work with a financial advisor to balance safe withdrawals, investments, and cash reserves. A robust retirement plan isn't just about growing wealth, it's about creating stability when paychecks stop. So, what's the takeaway? Retirement isn't just a financial finish line, it's a life redesign. The things that vanish, structure, social ties, benefits, purpose, are as vital as your savings account. Build a plan that addresses both money and meaning. Audit your benefits, nurture connections, and budget for healthcare and hobbies. Stay mentally sharp, keep networking, and respect time's new rhythm. With the right mix of pragmatism and passion, retirement becomes less about loss and more about reinvention. Now, go make that next chapter so good, you'll wonder why you didn't retire earlier. Retirement planning must address both financial and lifestyle gaps. Routine and social connections are critical for mental health post-retirement. Employer benefits like healthcare and perks require replacement strategies. Automate savings and withdrawals to mimic workplace financial systems. Hobbies, learning, and networking sustain purpose and cognitive health. Budget for hidden costs like healthcare and lost work perks. Time management ensures retirement years are fulfilling, not overwhelming. By blending practical steps with personal reinvention, you'll craft a retirement that's not just secure, it's sensational.